India holds firm amid global tariff turmoil, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi doubling down on his Swadeshi mantra. Sources tell India Today, Prime Minister Modi has directed NDA MPs to hold 20 to 30 traders conferences, spread awareness on GST reforms, and organize indigenous fairs during the period from Navratri to Diwali. The big theme: promote made in India products and say with pride, this is Swadeshi. Meanwhile, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar emphasized the need for fair and non-discriminatory global tariff practices at the BRICS Virtual Summit.
The international trading system is based on the foundational principles of open, fair, transparent, non-discriminatory, inclusive, equitable, and a rules-based approach with special and differential treatment for developing countries. India strongly believes that this should be protected and nurtured.
In Washington, the tone remains muddled. US President Trump calls Prime Minister Modi a friend, yet threatens additional tariffs on countries buying Russian oil.
Are you ready to move to the second phase of sanctions against Russia or punishing Putin? How is your call with the Prime Minister? What do you think of all the...
Trump's trade advisor Peter Navarro sharpened that line, accusing India of funding Russia's war. His claims were quickly fact-checked on X, with users pointing out that US itself continues imports from Moscow. Navarro then lashed out at X itself, accusing the platform of allowing foreign interference in US debates. However, hopes of an India-US trade deal are alive. Jaishankar met with US leaders, including Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds, to talk up trade potential. Friendship in words, tariffs in action. India today is balancing alliances abroad while shoring up self-reliance at home.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.